Hello, friends. A very good day to all of you. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I want to talk to you about a theme that is quietly but powerfully reshaping India's growth story: the rise of rural India and how our new Kotak Rural Opportunities Fund is positioned to help investors participate in this transformation. Over the past few years, India's rural economy has evolved far beyond its traditional agricultural roots. We are witnessing a remarkable shift driven by rising rural incomes, expanding infrastructure, and a wave of policy reforms aimed at empowering the rural population. Consumption patterns are changing rapidly. Rural households are now spending more on education, healthcare, consumer goods, and technology. This is creating a new wave of demand that is increasingly rivaling and, in some cases, outpacing urban India. One of the most exciting aspects of this transformation is the broadening of opportunity. Sectors such as FMCG, automobiles, financial services, building materials, telecom, and even digital platforms are seeing robust growth in rural markets. Government initiatives like Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana, Jal Jeevan Mission, and rural electrification are not only improving quality of life, but also enabling new business models and employment opportunities. From an investment perspective, this means that the universe of companies benefiting from rural growth is expanding. It's not just about agri inputs or tractors anymore. It's about banks reaching new customers, consumer companies tapping into aspirational demand, and infrastructure firms building the backbone of tomorrow's rural economy. With the launch of Kotak Rural Opportunities Fund, our aim is to capture this multi-decade opportunity. The fund will invest across sectors and across market capitalizations, focusing on businesses that are well positioned to benefit from rural transformation. Our approach will be to identify quality businesses, well-governed companies with strong rural linkages, sustainable growth prospects, and reasonable valuations. Of course, as with any investment, there are risks to consider. Rural incomes can be cyclical, influenced by monsoons and agri output, and policy changes can impact sector dynamics. However, we believe that the structural drivers such as rising aspirations, infrastructure push, and digital inclusion will continue to support long-term growth. For investors, the key is to take a disciplined long-term approach. Rural India's growth story will play out over years, not quarters. We recommend regular investing, maintaining a diversified portfolio, and having an investment horizon of at least 3 to 5 years to truly benefit from this theme. In conclusion, I believe rural India represents one of the most compelling opportunities in the Indian market today. With the Kotak Rural Opportunities Fund, you have a chance to participate in this journey from the ground up. Thank you for your time, and as always, happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.